Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I am Luisa Katrina Reyes. I am from College of Civic Montessori. I will be having a tutorial for you. So today I am going to teach you on how to access your corrupted flash drive or SD card using command prompt. Command prompt is it can use through back or administrator. You can access your flash drive or any storage. It depends on you. So I hope I can help you. The storage you cannot access can be accessed after these commands using command prompt. So let's get started. So after this, you're going to the window and then search for CMD or command prompt. Then run it as administrator. See to this as follows. Follow the rule or the arrow I am clicking. So in this you can see I'm searching CMD and run it as an administrator. Then the black windows appear. Type this part and then enter. After that, wait for it and then type list this. You can see list up this 0 and this 1. You need to select this one. Then you need to clean the volume. So you need to search the volume, list of volume, then locate the removable disk or your flash drive or SD card. Then clean it. After cleaning, you need to create partition primary so that your storage will be function properly. Then select partition you created. After selecting your partition created, you need to format it. Use the commands format fs is equal to path32. Then you need to use quick y. Quick is a command that helps you to make more quickly command or to make the command function quickly or fast. If you didn't put quick, you'll wait for a long time. So as you can see, 100% complete. This person successfully formatted the volume. So you need to exit double times to close the window. Exit, enter. So now you can check your flash drive or SD card or any storage that you formatted earlier and we commanded earlier on what is the volume we selected. Then you can now access to your flash drive or any storage, and now it is not denied to access it. I hope I can help you, and I hope it helps you to access your corrupted storage. Welcome in advance. Goodbye. See you in the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button for you to be notified.